What's your lifetime value in 30, 60, 90 days? After going through the customer journey, after going through upsells and cross-sells and developing new products, what should your lifetime value be? And someone asked before, how should you find that lifetime value? I'll give you a quick formula, okay? But if I have a buyer, let's say they come into my ecosystem and spend 30 bucks on my front-end offer. Okay, from 30 bucks, I need to get them to spend whatever my CAC is within 30 days. So that's going to be emails, SMS, social posting, whatever that looks like. So if I spent 18 bucks to get the customer here, let's say my CAC was $18, cost to get a customer, if anyone's wondering what that means. It's also known as CPA, okay, cost per acquisition or CAC. If I spent 18 bucks, I got to make that 18 bucks back in 30 days. That's my lifetime value goal, is to bridge the gap between my cost and getting it back, because now that customer is free. And what do they likely have? 2 products. They're more activated. Then we come down here, and then within 60 days, okay, I want to at least double my front end. So 2x my FEO. So what does that mean I got to get to? 60? That means I got to make up for $12 more. Somewhere within 60 days. And this will keep the profit churning. Does this make sense? Is everybody really fucking confused? Just be upfront with me right now. You're confused? Okay. How much does someone pay you on the front end? $30? So you're in the same model? 300. Oh, okay. I was about to say, what a fucking fate. All right. 300. Okay, I need to get my cost to get a customer here. How much does it cost you to get a $300 customer? $60. So 60. I got to get to 360 bucks here in lifetime value within 30 days to make up for my customer acquisition cost. Do you not understand this? No. That means you don't fucking get it. Okay, so, all right, 300 bucks, dude. Fuck, man, my wallet's in the back. Okay. If I gave you 300 bucks, you spent 60 bucks to get me. What do you need to squeeze out of me within 30 days? 60. Why am I getting the 60 bucks squeezed out of me? There you go. Okay. So then what are you going to do? Within 60 days, I've been with you for 60 days. What should I have spent with you now? Based on this. 60? No, bro. Okay. 2x my front end offer. What did you get me to spend money on? No, bro. Holy shit. Okay. 2x. If I gave you 300 bucks and I'm saying to 2x what I gave you, what should I be giving you by 60 days? 600. You should be doubling it within 60 days. Does that make sense now? Okay. Sick.